So anytime that I use these, what I call musical mantra pieces, I always ask people to set an intention for themselves. What would you like to unfold into? How would you like to improve your life? Set an intention. And an intention plants the seed. From the seed, the tree of your dreams comes to fruition. But you got to plant the seed first. So, whatever that is for you, and while I play this piece, just take some nice deep breaths and just maybe visualize a little bit what it would look like, your tree grown. What's your vision? Maybe for your radio shows or, whatever it is for your listeners or however that looks. Play big. Come at it with the spirit of a kid and see what opens up for you. So this is a little musical mantra piece for unlocking our potential.